Good morning and Jai Hind. I'm Kanchan, and this time you are here studying your English subject. So I have taken the chapter The Rat Trap. Rat Trap is a chapter from the book Flamingo, and the author of this chapter is Selma Lagerlöf, who was a Swedish writer, and she has written on the theme of universal theme is there. And here let's discuss about the characters. So characters are the peddler, and you can say the tramp also, and the iron master, crofter, Edla. So the peddler is here a person who was a poor person, and he sells rat traps to earn money. Also he uses theft and some thieveries also in his life to earn money, and also begging for his living. And iron master is an iron master, and he has iron mill. And Edla is his daughter, and who is also very kind-hearted lady, and she reforms the life of the peddler. And here crofter is a person who keeps cows and to have milk and to earn money, right? So objective theme of this poem is chapter is there. This word is a rat trap, and we can be trapped easily in this world. So the author means to say not to be greedy, not to be attracted by the things that are in this world, like money, jewelry and property. All these things attract us to do wrong, to follow the wrong ways. We have to avoid it. So first, notice these expressions in the text, infer their meaning from the context. So a few expressions have been given on the page number 31. And first I would like to summarize this story. So the rat trap, as I told, this rat trap was a poor man, and he would sell the rat traps and he would earn money. He would also do thievery and also begging for his for his living. And once what happened, he was going to his home, and it was evening time, and it was getting dark, and it was about to night, and cold, extreme cold was there, because it was the month of December. And then it was about to dark, and he was thinking where to go. Suddenly he was moving, and he was thinking about this world, and he came to know himself that this world is actually just like a rat trap, and all the people in this world, they get attracted by the things like jewelry, like property, like gold, silver, everything, and they commit crime, and in that way they are trapped. Because he was also a thief, a rat trap seller, a thief also. So he was thinking, I am also such type of to earn money, and he laughed. And also after that he was moving, and he was very happy that he had found out the things that nobody had told about it. After that he reaches to a house which was in the marketplace, and he knocked at the hut. So it was a house, and a crofter was living there. So crofter had cows, and he would milk the cows, and in that way he was earning money. So when peddler knocked at the door, crofter opened his door, and he welcomed his stranger, though he was a stranger, but he welcomed him, and he had given him potteries to eat, and then porridge, and also he had offered him gambling. He spent his night with that stranger in a very well way. And in the night when they were about to sleep, then the crofter showed him the money, 34 kroners, that he had earned after the selling of the milk of the cows. Then peddler was thinking how much money he has. So next day when he was about to move, and Crofter was also went to his own way, on his own way to sell his milk. At the sudden moment, the peddler did not move away from there. Instead, he went away to the Crofter's house, and he kept that money, 34 kroners, which were kept in that pouch. He had taken it and kept it inside his in his pocket, and again he had hung the leather pouch on the same place, at the same place, and he moved from there. So he was very happy that today I have become just like an oil rich man. I will spend my life in a very well way. Then he had kept the money, 34 kroners, and Crofter was not aware about this theft, and the peddler moved away from there. Then he didn't follow the crowded area. Instead, he followed the dense forest area, so that policemen could not arrest him. Due to that, he was trapped in the condition because it was extreme cold, and when he went in the forest, dense forest, he was caught there because he was not able to find out the way he had to move. From there he was thinking, oh, I will die very soon, what should I do? Oh God, help me, help me. At the sudden moment he saw an iron mill. He went there because it was extreme cold, little raining was there, showering was there. So he took shelter there, and from there he saw the iron master. Iron master went to him and asked, he thought that the peddler was his friend when he was in army. So he was confused at that time, and he offered the peddler, come to my house and we will celebrate, we will enjoy the Christmas festival. Peddler was hesitated and he didn't accept. No, I will not come to your house. Iron master was pressurizing, he was offering and pressurizing to go with him, but he was not agree. At last, Iron Master sent his daughter Edla to bring the peddler, and she requested the peddler in the way that peddler could not deny, and he moved to their house. On the way he was thinking, how foolish I am going to the Iron Master's house. I have stolen the money, 34 kroners, and maybe I would be caught there because policemen will be there, no doubt. So he was fearing, and anyhow he was there moving on the way in the vehicle. And when he reached the Iron Master's house, Edla welcomed, and Edla took extra care, and she behaved in the well-mannered way. And then Edla had offered him dress, and in their house he was well dressed, he was combed, he was taken bathed, and also he was just like a gentleman. So the peddler became a gentleman due to his appearance, because his appearance changed completely. When the Iron Master saw him next day, he was surprised. You are not my friend, so move away from my house. And he scolded him badly that you are not my friend. I was confused, and you have to move here from my house. I will not let you to stay here. So he scolded, and he ordered him not to stay at his home, and to move away from there. Then Edla requested her father to let him to stay that night, because he was there as their guest, and he was there, and it was Christmas festival. So she convinced her father to let the peddler to stay their home, and she offered things to eat, like dinner. He enjoyed, the peddler enjoyed the dinner, and he enjoyed the breakfast, everything he enjoyed. Then it made him to change his life, because Edla was there behaving in a very well way. Due to the well behaving, due to the well treatment and well mannered behavior, made change the peddler. And the peddler thought how rubbish I am, that I am following theft and I am begging. Instead, I should do hard work, and it made him to change his life. So, when Edla and his father and her father, Edla and her father, both they went to the church. At the moment, the peddler had made an envelope, and in that envelope he had kept the stolen the money that he had stolen, 34 kroner. Also, he had written a letter that I am sorry because I have theft this money. Please return this money to the crofter, and I am promising that I will change my life, and thank Edla to you that you have changed my life. Then he had written that a gift is here for you, and he had kept a gift that was red trap. He had gifted, and with that he had kept the money, 34 kroner, and he thanked the offer that he was there as the iron master's army friend. If he would not be there, he could not be able to change his life. So in the end, we have come to know that the peddler changed his life. He became a gentleman, and then it was Edla's behavior, it was Edla's well mannered treatment that made the peddler to change his life, and he became a gentleman. So in this story we have come to know that yes, this world is a rat trap, and we have to avoid being greedy and to avoid to cheat anyone. We should avoid all these evil ways. Instead, we have to do hard work. And second thing, that our good behavior, our good manner can change anybody's personality, anybody's life. Thank you and Jai Hind.